What's up, YouTube? I wanted to give a little tutorial here on how to change out the incandescent bulbs on the 21 through 24 Suburbans and Tahoes. I've got a 24 Suburban here. Apologize for the dirtiness, Pennsylvania winters. So give a quick tutorial here. I was using Last Fit brand lights. The reverse lights are T15s or 921s. I'll put a link in the description. And then the turn signals, I went with amber, again, Last Fit brand off of Amazon. These are 7443s. So to get started, you need to pry off this plastic piece here. I've already got it popped out, but there's no screws or anything. So that just kind of pops out. And then you can see this bottom piece pulls straight out as well. There's a clip at the top and two on the bottom. Again, no screws or anything like that. Next, you'll need a T15 screwdriver. You can see I've got an extension on here. There are two screws, one on the bottom and one at the top. You can see I've already taken the screws out here and set those aside. And then to get this light fixture out, you're just gonna pull straight out. And there's two clips on the side that are kind of holding it in. All right, so something I wanted to explain was that when you put in the LED bulbs on the reverse light, if you don't put a resistor on, it's going to throw a code on the screen on the dash, and also your infotainment screen will not work anymore. It will kind of just go blank on you. So I ended up installing a resistor just on the driver's side here, and you can see I've mounted it to the body of the car because it does put off a lot of heat, so you don't want that touching any plastics. And you can see I've taped up where those wires spliced together. So I bought a 4-pack of these resistors on Amazon for like $7. Comes with these clips. I know 3M sells ones that are probably a little bit better, that are waterproof and have a sealant in there. But I did just use these and then taped up the connections to prevent any water from getting in. So the next thing I wanted to show was the turn signals here. These Last Fit ones that have the CAN bus air-free built in do not require any resistors or anything like that. You won't get a hyper flash. So I put those in. These just twist into place. Okay, so I've got the reverse light and the turn signals in place, and I'm not going to bother doing the brake light. That's incandescent as well. It's this top one, but it already has a red lens, and I know if you do replace that, you would need to add the resistors as well. I just don't want to splice into that factory harness anymore, adding resistors. So until they come out with a bulb that I wouldn't need to add resistors, I'm not going to bother with the brake lights. Okay, I've got the light pushed back in, and I'm going to put the screws in first. I've already got that set in place. Okay, I've got the light fixture back in place. Got all the plastics back installed. I've got the vehicle started right now, and I'm gonna put the parking brake on and then the reverse light so we can test it. So the vehicle's in reverse. Got our LED light lit up. Now I'll try the turn signal. brighter, and no hyper flash. All right, that concludes this video. Again, I want to emphasize you only need to add the resistor to one side, one taillight. You don't need to do both. So I only did the driver's side and it worked fine. These lights look pretty cool in there. Got your reverse on the bottom and turn signal above that. And again, I did not swap out the brake light. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot me a message. Thanks.